Okay, we are now entering my kitchen, which I think is an ideal candidate for a couple of swing out stools. This is what it looks like. It has a bar counter island with a 12-inch overhang, and I think it's perfect for it. So what I'm going to do is take these wonderful Toledo stools, originals I might add, not something like the faux industrial you see popping up all over the country. These are the real things and can be had, by the way, at Get Back Inc. where we have the original stuff. Anyway, I'm going to move these out and take off the back panel and start work. So looking forward to this little project, getting it over really. Thanks, bye. Okay, so having determined that the back of the cabinets were not strong enough because it's only 1/4 inch plywood, I decided to put some 2x10s vertically. Here they are, and now I'm going to attach some horizontally, and that'll really make a strong back for the seats. Okay, so I've successfully attached some 1x10 Douglas fir to the back of the 2x10s that I already have on, and that's a really solid backing that's going to work. And so now I'm going to attach the back panel back on the island, and then we'll be able to go ahead and attach the seats. And maybe I'll get it done before the missus gets home. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so I marked the first hole where my seat is going to go, and these things are very heavy. So I'm going to take it apart and then bolt it apart. Here we go. That easy. Lift it up, get my lag bolt. Oops. And away we go. Okay, I got the first one in. Looks pretty good. So one down, one to go.
Oh wow, Dad, you got the first one installed?
Yep.
It looks great. Can I sit on it?
Sure. Jump on it. So what do you
Wow.
think?
It's great. Wait till Mom gets home. She'll be really excited.
Well, let's hope so.
Yeah.
On the last seat here, and the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to get some black paint and paint the lag bolts, and I think the whole thing was going to look great. Now let's see what the reaction is going to be. Hey, honey.
Hi.
What are you laughing at? What's up?
We'll come over here and you'll find out.
Okay. That's fantastic! This is great! Damn, I don't have to clean underneath those Toledo stools anymore. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yay!
Okay, there it is. Job is done, and I'm very, very happy with it. I'm glad I took on this little project and installed these. I think they're a really great combination of form and function. We redesigned these from originals that we had at Get Back Inc. and they're made in the old traditional style of sand casting. They're only available at Get Back Inc. and the demand for them is just phenomenal. We're very, very happy with this product, and we'd love to hear from you. So take care. Bye. So one more thing I'd like to add to the installation of these stools is the amount of space that they create when they're installed. I couldn't believe it. You know, our stools used to sit out here in the middle of the, well, not in the middle of the floor, but you know, close to the counter. But when we put these in, you know, look at the size. I mean, I could have extended my kitchen by about another foot. And you know, cabinet space is a premium when you have a small house like us. So something to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. Take care.